Hello, myself S.K. Bandyopadhyay, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department. My topic is Mechanical Engineering Present Scenario. Mechanical engineering is one of the oldest and widest versatile branch of engineering. Some of the basic concepts of this branch were developed from ancient times. People started thinking of multiplying their abilities, and it was first used in the construction industry for lifting and shifting heavy loads. Wedges and inclined plane were known from prehistoric time. Wheel and axle mechanism was invented in Mesopotamia, presently Iraq, in the 5th millennium BC. The lever mechanism first appeared in East at 3000 BC as a simple balance, and in Egypt it was used to move larger load. The lever mechanism was used in the first crane built in Mesopotamia in 3000 BC. First blast furnace was developed in 7th century BC. In China, a chariot was developed with differential gear mechanism by Ma Zun in the year 200 to 265 AD. Gradually, the subject was used in different sectors like mining, irrigation, water supply, wind power, water power, clock, printing machine, boring of cannon, etc. In the 17th century, one breakthrough occurred in the mechanical engineering by Sir Isaac Newton, who developed the laws of motion and calculus. Next, in the 18th century, James Watt developed the steam engine, which led to the Industrial Revolution. Initially, the ships and locomotives were developed with steam engine, and during the 19th century, extensively steam engines were used to develop industry, and the industrial revolution took place. Machine tools were developed in Germany, UK and Scotland, and mechanical engineering became a separate branch of engineering. Today, we have vast number of machines developed for various purposes, including the CNC machines and robots. The latest development in the 21st century is 3D printing or adaptive manufacturing. Now, mechanical engineering is a subject which combines physics and mathematics principles with material science to design, analyze, manufacture and maintain mechanical systems. The subject overlaps to aerospace engineering, metallurgical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, chemical engineering and industrial engineering. The current research areas of mechanical is number 1, micro electromechanical systems, that is MEMS. Number 2, friction stir welding. Number 3, composites. Number 4, mechatronics. Number 5, nanotechnology. Number 6, finite element analysis. Number 7, biomechanics. Number 8, computational fluid dynamics. The subject deals with the application of principles and problem solving techniques from design to manufacture and to the marketplace for any product. It works using the principles of motion, energy and force, ensuring that design functions efficiently, safely and reliably at a competitive cost. The career of mechanical engineering centers on creating techniques to meet human needs. Virtually every product or service in the modern life has probably been touched in some way or other by a mechanical engineer to help humankind. This involves solving today's problems and creating future solutions in healthcare, energy, transportation, hunger, space exploration, global warming, etc. The education of mechanical engineering is versatile to meet the challenges in many fields. To meet the versatile and broad demand, mechanical engineers may design a component, a machine, a system or a process. The range varies from macro to micro level, from large systems like car, satellites to small components as an electrical switch or a sensor. Anything that needs to be manufactured and anything with moving parts needs the expertise of a mechanical engineer. Actually, today's human civilization will come to a halt without mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering education first started in Europe in 18th century, late part of the 18th century, and in India, the late part of the 19th century. Okay, thank you.